Hi, this is John with Bear Mechanical. Today we're going to be going over the installation process. Hiring a licensed contractor to install your heating or cooling equipment can be a daunting task, but at Bear Mechanical, we care and we try to make that task as easy and simple as possible for you. A friendly team member will schedule your appointment and you will automatically receive a text message and email confirming the appointment. We will wear shoe covers to protect your home, and we'll be happy to go over any concerns that you may have for your heating or cooling equipment. We will do a thorough inspection of your existing equipment, ductwork, as well as everything else that is required to complete the job while we are there. We'll go over any concerns that we have with you and also go over several options. That way you can make the best decision for you and your family. Once you decide on a system, we'll also follow up with you and confirm an appointment time for the install. And we'll also follow up and do an in-depth load calculation to make sure all equipment is sized properly according to your home, based off of manufacturer's best practices and local regional code. Our goal is to earn your trust and your business by making the process simple and educational so that you can make the best decision. First thing we do when we get to the home is we confirm everything with you, make sure everything is in agreement, we know where the equipment's going, and then we come inside and we put floor protection down just to keep your home safe. When you choose an air conditioner with us, before we come to your home for the day of install, we've already pulled a permit, we've got all the equipment ordered, and we are fully prepared to get the job done in one day. Today we're installing an air conditioner in a crawl space. The first step in the process is we got our trash box set up, make sure we keep a clean job site. And then we're gonna start removing everything. We're gonna completely drop the furnace and the return ductwork. We're gonna have to reinstall the furnace and we'll set a pad, get it all leveled out and put some risers on it so we can level the furnace and the coil. So we'll get all that set up and then reconnect everything to the existing ductwork. And since we have everything tore apart, we try to go extra and do anything that we can to help your existing equipment work better. So on this one, we're gonna add a scoop to force more airflow upstairs. And that's gonna really help keep the entire home much more comfortable. So the next step in the process is to get the outside pad leveled for the condenser. Normally we'll have to move all of the rock or gravel out of the way, get down to dirt, level everything out, set the pad, and then we'll put the gravel back and make everything look nice and neat for you. On this home, we don't really need to do much, just set the pad down and get it 3 inches above grade. We also run the line set from outside, which is the 2 copper lines that go to the AC and the coil. So this house already had that pre-ran electrical. We always have a master electrician come and do the electrical hookup for us, and they'll run a brand new circuit if we need to. In this case, they just had to add the whip. So once we get the condenser set, they'll get that all hooked up for us, and then we'll braze in the line set to the unit. Once we get everything connected, we have to do a pressure test on the system, make sure there's not any leaks, and then we do a nitrogen purge, make sure there's not any contaminants in there. And then we hook everything up and we do a deep vacuum on the system just to ensure there's not any moisture or any contaminants in the system. And then we'll go ahead and release the charge and then add or remove refrigerant to get the charge exactly perfect so that the AC works properly. So we have this job wrapped up now. We got the unit up and running, everything's cooling properly. Thank you for choosing Bear Mechanical. At Bear, we care.